What work? They're doing graffiti on canvas.
Ah, I like that.
You are now listening to KingWizard's Radio in Detroit, Michigan.
Message for you! Here you go!
Gotta call you something, don't I? What do you think? Now what do you say we start asking around and see if anybody here knows you? Guess who's back?
Welcome to the next level. Welcome to the next level. What makes the motherfucker so damn fresh? nigga, everybody diss, cause you can't bust this. You got a bad name like Big Butt Kiss. Welcome to the next level of rhyme flowing, scratching, hooking up beats and hoe catching. Every time I come home, I got 50 messages. I only call back the girls with big breasts. Ooh, I got biddies in all the major cities. The safest way to have sex is right between us. Welcome to the next level. Welcome to the next level. Welcome to the next level. What makes the motherfucker so damn fresh? What makes you fresh? What makes the motherfucker so damn fresh? What makes you fresh? Welcome to the next level. Welcome to the next level. Welcome to the next level. What makes the motherfucker so damn fresh? What makes the motherfucker so damn fresh? Welcome to the next level. Welcome to the next level. Welcome to the next level. What makes the motherfucker so damn fresh? What makes the motherfucker so damn fresh? Welcome to the next level. 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 Welcome to the next level.
Oh yeah? Watch this!
Unbelievable. I didn't embarrass you when I called you a legend. I didn't embarrass you when I called you a legend. You are unbelievable. I didn't embarrass you when I called you a legend. You are unbelievable. I didn't embarrass you when I called you a legend.
Okay. 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 Okay.
I'm late, fellas. I was at my Gumad's place. We just finished up dinner. We had some ravioli, some rigatonis, and some rice-a-ronis. Forget about it! Oh, forget about it!
Forget about what?
I'm late, fellas. I was at my Gumad's place. We just finished up dinner. We had some ravioli, some rigatonis, and some rice-a-ronis. Forget about it!
Get on my level, ho. Get on my level, bitch. 36 in Minnesota, you know who you fucking with. Baby girl got the pistol hanging straight out of Prada bag. We don't care who you are or where you're from, we still run up on you like, what's up? What's up, what's up, what's up with them cookies? I'm a triple OG, self-proclaimed street bang, you a rookie. I'm a motherfucking problem, what the problem be? I'll just probably just spit this verse and make sure you just comment after me. We so damn great, rap, pop, 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 pop. Yeah, shake that ass on dick and make me come. I don't fuck with no nigga up top, I learned it from. I would run in the streets all day and all night. If you don't believe that shit, I tell you shit you never seen. DC Melon, that's the scene. I'm call it Day Day and Dean. Peanut Boogie, Booby, Rico, Pretty Boy, Crash, ARD. Tell me if you see my niggas round my way for make believe. Yeah. Dirty Glock and pop you off the block. Pull the trigger, look away and cry about it, nada. Hide it up under my bed and stuff some in my sock. Never knew you shot your senseless, I just want your products. Fourth root of the cities, DC, Melon, PG, and VA slinging dope. Now audio dope, but we pushing dope. Fuck women, we done weather. Got the bitches, Susie, Heather, still addicted to the wife stuff that we rap about. Take a dirty Glock and pop you off the block. Pull the trigger, look away and cry about it later. Pile it all up in my closet, stuff some in my sock. Never knew you shot your senseless for Balenciaga, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Cartier. We ran at Buddy's house. I saw some pennies on the floor and called a buddy spouse. Damn, a nigga got no pussy, what I'm about to do? I mean, a room right there, so should I knock or just intrude? What I do? a motherfucking shoot. Squash club, nigga, we a motherfucking shoot. Squash club, nigga, we a motherfucking shoot.